In the third part of my series on CarPlan's new range of interior products, we're going to be looking at interior valet. This is going to be for your carpet and upholstery. I happen to have a car here with a pretty badly stained passenger seat, and we're going to give this a try and see how it works. Stick around and we'll find out. So this is the staining we're looking at here. You can see the marks on the seat, and the owner, it says it's not too bad, but they would like it tidied up a bit more. So we're going to try the interior valet along with a cheap interior scrub brush, and we'll show you how this works. So according to the directions, we've already vacuumed the seat to make sure any loose debris is picked up. We're going to give this a good shake, apply it generously, and then you can use, according to the details, you can use a cloth, a sponge, or a brush. We're just going to go ahead with that brush, and we're going to see how it goes.
What we do here is go back.
We're just going to move on to the back seat here because it did a decent job at the front there, so let's see how it tackles some of this. Okay, I'm roasting now. As far as a cleaner goes, well, I think the results speak for themselves. That's a decent cleaner. It's interesting that it's not a foamy cleaner like you find so many others are. It doesn't have any kind of suds going on, no kind of froth, which is interesting. It's just a really effective cleaner, and apparently it's pretty cheap. I think this is around for about £5, 600ml again, as all the range has been. So you get a decent amount for your money. I didn't use a massive amount there, and using just a really cheap upholstery brush. That was it, and a microfiber. And as you can see from the results, that was the square from the front seat. This is the section which I folded over in half again to do the back seats here. So it's a cleaner which seems to lift the dirt using the sponge to agitate it, not the sponge, the brush to agitate it, and then the cloth to lift it out of your fabric. Honestly, that is a killer combination right there, and it really has breathed new life into the upholstery of this car, and the owner, she's very happy with it. So I'm definitely giving this a thumbs up. It smells good too. It's got that same fresh linen fragrance as the Dash Valet had. It's nice, it's artificial, but it's pleasant, and again, as I always say, a product which is a pleasure to use is a product you're going to use again. So I definitely think this is a thumbs up here. I like it, it's cheap, it's effective, it works, and it goes a decent distance. So well done, CarPlan. I think you've got a cracking range of new interior products for 2018. So very happy with that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to see my new videos whenever I get a chance to put them up. Give it a like if you can, or a dislike if you didn't, and comments, questions, suggestions below. Also find me on Instagram. There'll be a thing here telling you where I am. It's my favorite thing right now. Get in touch with me on Instagram. I'd love to hear your comments. In the meantime, I've been a very sweaty Specky. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.